Hi, so in this video what we're going to do is just go through different ways we can start to build a product list. And our goal here is to build a list of 30, 50, even 100 products that we could potentially sell. We don't need to worry too much about analyzing the competition, analyzing all the costs and the numbers. We just want some ideas to start with, then we can begin digging further. And what's going to happen by doing this, by looking at like 50 plus products, you're going to come across 2 or 3 that seem much better than all the rest, that seem to be a really great opportunity. So instead of thinking of one product idea and just going with the first product that comes to our head, why not create a list of 50 or 100 products, then review them and select the top 3, 4, 5 products that look like the absolute best and look like they're going to make us the most money, instead of focusing all our efforts on just the first couple of ideas that we have. And we're also going to use real facts, real numbers, real statistics, really simple methods, don't worry, it's not going to be complicated, of working out which products are better than others and which ones we should sell. We want to use the data that Amazon itself has and shows us too, so that we can focus in on products that we know will be winners, not we hope will be winners. Okay, so we've covered the criteria of the products that we're looking for. We're looking for stuff around $17 plus. We want demand of 3,000 plus units per month for the top 10 products in that category. We'll show you how to get that data as well. We want something that's relatively simple, that we can just get going with no real kind of legal issues or patents to restrict us from selling it. So where can we get ideas? Number one, very simple, at home, right? Around your house, you're going to have dozens and dozens of items that are worth somewhere between 17 to 100 bucks that you paid for. In your day-to-day life, you're going to encounter them. So it could be things like table mats, cutlery, some sort of sports equipment you have. Maybe you have a yoga mat, cost you $30. All around your house are going to be these items. So what we need to do, first of all, is just keep our eyes open. And as we come across these kind of items, we just want to, in a simple spreadsheet, Google Sheet, notebook, whatever suits you best, just write these down. Okay, so I've got a yoga mat at home. It costs about $30. I've got table mats. I've got tea towels. I've got a cutlery set which I paid $40 for. You're just making a note of all these ideas as you go through your day-to-day life. Just have a notebook with you, have something where you can record these and go back to it later. We'll do the analysis later, but if it costs you around $17 to $100, dump it into this list. It's going to be a great starting point. Why? If you've got it in your home, chances are a million other people have it in their home too. You know the demand's there. It's you can see straight away the item. It's probably relatively simple, not too complicated. You might say that, hey, 1,000 other people are selling this kind of thing already. That doesn't mean you can't, right? There's so much demand for the product that the market supports 10, 20, 50, 100 different variations of that product, even thousands of variations of that product. So let's just get the ideas down for now, and we will worry about the demand, the competition, etc. later. So just make a note. So home, office, day-to-day life, start to record ideas of things that cost around 70 to 100 bucks. The next place is whenever you're going out shopping, whether it's to Walmart, whether it's to a cycling shop because you like cycling, whether it's to a hiking shop because you like hiking, just make a note of all of the items that are selling in that price range too. 17 to 100 bucks that look relatively simple. Take a quick picture with your phone, write it down in your notebook and start adding these to your list. So I'm going to do the same here. So I've been to a cycling shop today, so I'm going to look at bike pump, bike lights. I'm going to add hiking. So we've got a tent floor mat and a simple camping chair. Just to give you an example, I'm just writing these down. So as we're going along, as we're doing this process, it may take you 1 or 2 weeks to build this list. That's fine. We're not in a rush, because this is the absolute most important step in your Amazon business, is deciding which kind of products you're going to sell on Amazon. So it's okay to take a little bit of extra time to create a good list and research which products you feel most comfortable with doing. The next thing is, as you're doing this too, not only from around your home, your office, your shopping, but you could also then, if you've got an idea, say for hiking, hiking products, you don't necessarily have to go out to a hiking store to find good products for that. You can just straight away go to Google hiking shop. So I don't know why I'm typing Google. So mountain gear. Okay, so we can go on to existing e-commerce shops and in addition to Amazon. So of course we're going to check Amazon, right? We can go into the Amazon section for sports and outdoors. Maybe outdoor recreation's better there. Sports and outdoors, outdoor recreation. And we can filter here too by $17 upwards. And we can start to look on Amazon. But I'm just saying that if you've got an idea for a specific niche or hobby or area like hiking, you can then go into Google and search other e-commerce sites and just see what kind of products they have for sale that maybe we can sell too. So hiking and camping, tents, packs, sleeping bags, kitchen, pads. Pads sounds good. Lighting, trekking poles, knives and tools, furniture, hydration. Let's have a little look. See, so these products might not be selling on Amazon, but anyone interested in hiking is buying these products from stores already too. So the demand's most definitely there, and it could give you some good inspiration, some good ideas to add to your list. So these steaks, the price is a little too low for something like this. We want something a little bit higher. Okay, so let's filter 25. I see, it won't let us filter like that on this website. That's fine. Okay, so we've got medical kits. Okay, sleeping pad. Bad reviews. The price is good. Looks like a very simple item. Great, I like that straight away. Why? Because it's just a piece of material really that you put under your sleeping bag to keep you warm. The review's not great. The price range is good. Bad reviews of other people's products is a good sign. It means there's room for improvement. Water bottle, pack liner. Wow, it seems pretty expensive considering it's such a simple item. So definitely worth looking into. This looks like a tarp. So we've got pack liner. And you can quickly see that this is just one hobby, hiking. There's hundreds of hobbies out there that people have and follow. And I mean, just in the sports section, for example, just for sports products, there's soccer, there's American football, there's hiking, there's tennis, there's golf. So there's hundreds of potential hobbies, hundreds of potential products for each of those hobbies that you can do as well. So it's okay to focus on something where you have an interest, you have a particular hobby in that area, because then you're going to know the products better than other people. So you can look at hobbies that you have, look at the e-commerce shops for those hobbies, and try to make a list of potential items as well. All we're doing is just adding stuff to our list. The next place to go is Amazon Bestsellers. So we can get there, go to the Amazon Bestsellers page, and basically what this shows you is the top 100 products in any category or subcategory that are selling on Amazon. So if I was to go to sports and outdoors, it instantly showing me the top 100 products that are selling on Amazon. And if you're in the top 100, you're selling thousands, if not tens of thousands of units a month for these high level categories. So we know that there's huge demand for these kind of products. So water bottle, we've got this knee sleeve. These are all great things to add to our list. I mean, the price is a little bit below we're expecting, but these water bottles go up to $100. That's crazy. Okay, so we'll keep looking through. Compression gear seems to go up to about $20. Let's add that in. We can always eliminate it later if we think it's not a good product. Compression gear. Okay. What else? Elastic loops, weights, whistle, hair mattress, waist trimmer, $20. Top 100, so the demand's definitely there. Waist trimmer. So you'll come across products that maybe you never even considered before or thought of, but they're selling incredibly well on Amazon, are simple to make. So we're just adding these to our list. We keep growing now. What's this? Foam mats, looks very basic. Oops. And you can see how all I've done is just gone into one small subcategory of the Amazon bestsellers. We can go dig deeper, go into outdoor recreation, see the subcategories here. We can drill further into these different hobbies. For example, let's take water sports, and it will show us more products still. And the demand for all of these is going to be pretty high because they're in the top 100. So all of these are potential items. This full face mask, shoes we want to avoid. It's quite a complicated product. The mask looks relatively simple. It's selling for about $30. These are all things we can add to our list. And you can see very quickly that just drilling into the bestsellers list, drilling to what's around your home or office, what's out there when you're shopping, taking some of these products, putting them into e-commerce sites, you're very quickly building a list of products that you can sell on Amazon. I mean, I've spent just 10-15 minutes with you on this video starting to build a list. We've already got 15 plus items. I could add hundreds more if I just sat here for 2 hours researching some products. So I might do that in the meantime, just to show you a more full list for the next video. But you need to do the same around your home, around your office, shopping. There's hundreds and hundreds of items that you could potentially sell. And as you get better at this, you'll know which items are going to be too competitive, which are going to be too complicated. For now, just add them to your list and we can eliminate that. And once you learn the elimination process, you'll only ever see good opportunities everywhere because you already know if it's going to be a good item or not before you even add it to your list. The other thing we can do is look at existing sellers. So let's take the yoga mat, for example. Okay, and then we're just going to click Amazon Choice Product. And what we're going to do is click the brand that's selling it, Balance From in this case. And this is going to take us to their store. And it's going to show us all the other items that they're selling as well. And so we can add related products to our list this way too, by looking at what existing top sellers are selling and adding these items too. You can see there's all kinds of things that I would have never thought of selling. Yoga blocks, these exercise mats, chin-up bar, a weight set. These are all potential products we can consider. So even when you're shopping on Amazon, when you're going to buy something for your house, if you're looking for a table mat set, there's no reason why when you're looking and you're doing your shopping and you're going through things on Amazon that you don't have a quick look at what else other people are selling. The more you do this, the more you're going to see. So these guys started with human hair bundles, table mats, bathroom rugs, a very sporadic range of products. It will just give you ideas for things that you could potentially do. And the other thing is when you're on a product page is to scroll down and you can see what other products are related to the item too that people are selling, and you might get more ideas there for things to sell. So I want to do that for the yoga mat. Just want to have a look. Then the Balance From product. I just want to scroll down. See, they've got all these other 58 pages of other ideas here too. So Amazon's giving you yoga strap, fantastic. Okay, about $15, but that kind of item is very simple. It's going to cost $1.50 to make approximately. So this is Amazon's giving you hundreds of ideas of things you can sell. And whether something's going to be successful or not, we'll show you that in a separate video. We're going to go through the elimination process. For now, you can see it's very easy to build a list of 100 potential ideas. I mean, there's so many things I've seen here that we can add to our list of things that we can potentially sell just from this quick look. So what I want you to do really, if you want to be successful on Amazon, take the time to build up this list, to go through the best sellers, to go through different e-commerce shops, to go around your house and office and as you're shopping and build a list of 50 to 100 products around that $17 to $100 price range Think about hobbies that you have, things that you enjoy that maybe you can add to that. Look at existing sellers and see what other products they're selling. And doing this, you very, very quickly build up a list of about 100 items that you could potentially sell, in addition to everything that we outlined here. So what's around your home office, what's around when you're shopping, what's around when you're doing your Amazon shopping. Look at the related products, look at the Amazon bestsellers. You've got your hobbies, you've got other e-commerce stores. You can look at what existing sellers are doing. I mean, if you spend a few hours building a list, there's absolutely no reason you can't come up with a list of 100 good ideas of stuff to research further. Absolutely guaranteed that you can create that list. And with that list, you can then refine down to some great products that we're going to start to do. So that's your task, really. What you need to do if you want to move ahead with your Amazon business is build that list of 50 to 100 items. You want a notebook, ideally something like Google Sheets, so you can access it anywhere. And then we're going to show you how to then evaluate those products and which ones are good and which ones we should eliminate. And we'll go through the list one by one so you can see what are the reasons for keeping it and what's the reasons for removing it. And then you'll get a better idea of what makes a good product and what doesn't. Thank you very much.